Good evening, everybody, and welcome to this evening's tropical update. So, unfortunately, we have yet another area in the Atlantic Basin that is likely to develop across the Caribbean and potentially move up towards the Lesser Antilles, Hispaniola, Puerto Rico, and the Bahamas. Taking a look at our area of interest, we have a 2-day probability of 10% chance and a 70% chance of tropical cyclone formation over the next 7 days, with an overall high chance of tropical cyclone formation with this system. Taking a look at our forecast discussion, near the Lesser and Greater Antilles, shower activity associated with a tropical wave located about 900 miles west-southwest of the Cabo Verde Islands has become a little better organized since yesterday. Slow development of the system is possible during the next couple of days while it moves westward to west-northwestward across the central tropical Atlantic. Conditions are expected to become more conducive for development thereafter, and a tropical depression is likely to form by early next week while the system approaches and then moves near or over the Lesser Antilles. The system is forecast to continue moving generally west-northwestward and could approach portions of the Greater Antilles by the middle part of next week. Formation chance through 48 hours is low at 10%, but formation chance through 7 days is now high at 70%. So taking a look at our models, our GFS model, the 18Z run, we have our wave in the middle of the main development region. Could start developing as early as Tuesday, August 13th, as we could be seeing a potential tropical depression east of the central and northern Lesser Antilles. And then this is going to bring a lot of rain to the central northern Lesser Antilles going into Monday and Tuesday, August the 12th and August the 13th. Could even be seeing a tropical storm in the GFS solution moving over the northern Lesser Antilles. And then as we go into a Wednesday, could be seeing a tropical storm, a mid-grade tropical storm over Puerto Rico, bringing very heavy rainfall. And then as we go into Wednesday, August the 14th, we could be seeing a hurricane approaching Hispaniola and making a landfall in eastern areas of the Dominican Republic. Thursday, August 15th, could be moving towards the Turks and Caicos into the afternoon of Thursday, August 15th. This could be a Category 1 hurricane at this point. And then as we start going into Friday, August 16th, just east of the Bahamas is a rapidly intensifying hurricane. And then going this Sunday, August 18th, and then the 19th, could be seeing a powerful major hurricane, Category 3 hurricane, sitting off the southeastern coast. And I'm going to end the model run here, as after 10 days it's going to be pretty unreliable. However, in about 10 days we could be seeing a major hurricane sitting off the southeast coast and just to the west of Bermuda. So this is going to be a system we really have to watch over the next several days across the Caribbean, the Bahamas, the Turks and Caicos, and even the southeast and northeast US. Taking a look at the European model shows the wave moving into the Lesser Antilles as a tropical depression going into Tuesday, August the 13th, bringing a lot of heavy rain to the central and northern Lesser Antilles. Tropical depression, and then we could be seeing a tropical storm, weak tropical storm moving across Puerto Rico going into Wednesday, August the 14th, and then remaining a tropical storm as it moves across Hispaniola into the afternoon of Wednesday, August 14th. And then the European model once again begins to intensify this into a Category 1 hurricane as it moves just east of the Turks and Caicos and Bahamas into Friday, August the 16th, and then begins to curve this hurricane near Bermuda as we go into Sunday, August the 18th. And like the GFS model, we're going to end this at 10 days. European Solutions shows a Category 3 hurricane between the Outer Banks of North Carolina and Bermuda. So once again, we're going to have to watch this very closely to look at these model trends over the next several days. And taking a look at the Canadian model, Canadian shows a further north solution. So the Canadian misses the Caribbean entirely. And then as we go into Friday and Saturday, August 16th and 17th, we just see a fish storm in the Canadian model, still a major hurricane, but not really impacting any land except maybe Newfoundland in about 10 days, but once again, this is 10 days, so we're going to have to really watch this system over the next several days. Thanks for watching this evening's update. Please stay safe and have a wonderful evening, my friends.